Ready, Maisie? Here's the spoon. I want you to hold it. I want you to put it in your hand. You ready? Yeah, you get your little hands going. Come on. Oh! Good girl. What are you doing, Liam? You're going to lick the bowl? I made a spoon for you. Hmm? Liam! Liam, what were you doing? Eh? Do you want the spoon? You want the spoon? Yeah. I put it in your hand. Where's it going? Clever boy. And what's your sister doing? She's eating it too. Oops. Are you licking that spoon? Is that good fun? Good girl. Is that yummy? Yum, yum, yum. That's your dinner. Look at your brother. What's he trying to do? Are you trying to lick your bowl? Eh? How about I get the spoon that's stuck on your top? Would you like that? Go on. Here you go. You going to hold on to it? Good boy. That's right. That's how you eat it. Yeah. There's your bowl, Maeve. You going to eat it out your bowl? Hmm? You doing a good job? Hey, is that yummy? Yummy dinner? You're a good girl. Clever girl. How are you going? You chewing that spoon to pieces? You clever boy, Liam. Here we are. Clever girl. Hey. Very good. There you are, that's dinner. Dinner's finished. Bye-bye.